Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 3, welcome to your maths class. In the last period of your maths, I have discussed you the rounding off of numbers to nearest tens and nearest hundred. I hope you have seen the video and you have understand the concept. Now today I will start the exercise, but before starting the exercise I would like to have a revision of the concept. First we will discuss the rounding of numbers to nearest tens, and I told you there were two conditions: when the one digit was less than 5 or when the one digit was 5 or more than 5. So let's start when the one digit is less than 5. Round off the ones place to 0 and don't change the tens number. This can be explained well with the help of some examples. See the number 31. In the number 31, the ones place is 1 and the tens place is 3. So as I told you about the rule, if the ones place is 4 or less than 4. So what is the ones place here? The ones place is 1. It is less than 4. So what you have to do, if the ones place is 4 or less than 4, then change this ones place to 0. So in ones place you will write 0 and don't change the number at the tens place. The tens place is 3, copy the 3 as such. Now see the second example, number is 42. The ones place is 2 and the tens place is 4. So according to the rule, if the ones place is 4 or less than 4. So what is the ones place here? The ones place is, here is 2. 2 is less than 4. So you have, instead of 2 you will write 0 at the ones place and copy the tens place as such. Tens place is 4 and you have written it as 4. Then see the third example, 53. In this the ones place is 3 and the tens place is 5. So it is less than 4. So instead of 3 you will write 0 and copy the number at the tens place as such. So 5 will be copied as such and 53 will round off to 50. Then see the next number, 64. The ones place is 4. So 4 will be also changed into 0. If it is 4 or less than 4, the ones place will be changed into 0. So 4 will become 0 and 6 will be copied as such. So 64 is round off to 60. So what is the rule? If the digit at the ones place is 4 or less than 4, means the digit is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 at the ones place, then the ones place will be changed into 0 and the tens place will be copied as such. Like in 31 we have done 1, instead of 1 we wrote 0 and 3 will be copied as 3. So 31 when round off to nearest 10 becomes 30. In 42 also, the ones place is 2 which is less than 4. So 2 will be changed into 0 and 4 will be copied as such. So 42 will be round off to 40. Then 53. 3 will be changed into 0 and 5 will be copied as such. So 53 will be round off to nearest 10 as 50. In 64, it is also 4. So 4 will be changed into 0. When it is 4 or less than 4, convert it into 0. So instead of 4 you will write 0 and the tens place will be copied as such and 64 will be round off as 60. So this is how you round off the number to the nearest tens. Now we shall take some other examples also. Okay? Now let us take some more examples. See the number 35, 47, 56, 77, 89. In all these numbers, the one place is 5 or more than 5. So, the first rule was about the number when the ones place is 4 or less than 4. Now the ones place is 5 or more than 5. When the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then also in the ones place you will write 0 and in the tens place you will add 1 to the number. See this 35. The ones place is 5. So instead of 5 you will write 0 as you have written before. But since the ones place is 5 or more than 5, you will add 1 to the number at tens place. The tens place is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 35 will be round off to 40. Then here 47. The ones place is 5 or more than 5, it is 7. So in ones place you will write 0 and in the tens place you will add 1. Tens place is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 47 will be round off to 50. See 56. The ones place you will write 0 and in the tens place you will add 1. Why you will add 1? Because the ones place is 5 or more than 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 56 will be round off to 60. Then 77. Again the ones place is 7 which is more than 5. So instead of ones place 7 you will write 0 and in the tens place that is 7 you will add 1 to 7 and it will become 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 77 will become 80. Then 89. In the ones place you will write 0 and in the tens place you will add 1 to the tens place. The tens place is 8. When you added 1 to it, it becomes 9. So 89 is round off to 90. So what is the rule? When the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the ones place will change into 0 and in the tens place 1 will be added. In this 35, ones place was changed into 0 and in the tens place 3 plus 1, 4. We wrote 4. In 47, ones place converted into 0 and 4 was added to 1 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 47 changed into 50. In this 56, in the ones place we wrote 0 and in the tens place we added 1. 5 plus 1 was 6. So 56 became 60, 77, 7, the ones at the 7 became 0 and the tens place 7 became 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 77 become 80. 89, 9 was the number at the ones place which is 5 or more than 5. So instead of 9 we wrote 0 and this 8 has become 9. Why? Because we added 1 to this 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Why did we add 1 to this number? Because the ones place was 5 or more than 5. When the ones place is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the tens place and the number 89 when round off to nearest 10 became 90. So there were two rules. When the number was at the ones place was less than 4, then we did change the number at the tens place, it was written as such. But when the number at the tens place was 5 or more than 5, then 1 was added in the number at the tens place and this is how we can round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay? Now we shall discuss another concept, that is rounding of numbers to nearest 100. First we have discussed about rounding to nearest 10. Now we will discuss about rounding of numbers to nearest 100. So in this, when we round off numbers to nearest 100, we look at the numbers at the tens place. There we were looking on the numbers at the ones place. Now we will look at the number which is at the tens place. And if that number, the number at the tenth place is 4 or less than 4, then we will write 0 at the tens place also and at the ones place also. And copy the number at the 100 place without changing it. You can understand it with some example. See this number 213. What is the number at the tens place? The number at the tens place is 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So you will write 0 in place of tens also and in place of ones also. So you wrote 2 zeros and the 100 number will be copied as such. The 100 number was 2. This you copied as 2. So 213. When you round off to nearest 100, it will become 200. The next example is 124. In the number 124, the tens place is 2. The tens place is what? 2. This 2 is also less than 4. So in ones and tens place you will write 0 and 0. 0 at the ones place, 0 at the tens place. And the 100 place will be copied as such and 1 will be copied as such. So 124 will become 100. In 339, what is the number at the tens place? The number at the tens place is 3. What is the number? 3. So it is also less than 4. So instead of this 3 and this 9 you will write 0 0 and this 3 will be copied as it is and 339 will be round off to 300. Then 448. The next example is 448 in which the tens place is 4. So it is also less than 4 or less than 4. Then instead of 48 you will write 2 zeros, 4 and 8 you will write 0 and 4 will be copied as such. In the number 627 the tens place is 2. So instead of ones and tens you will write 0. 0 at the ones place, 0 at the tens place. And the 100 number will be copied as such and 627 will become 600 when round off to nearest 100. So again let us see what we have done. 213 round off to nearest 100 will become 200 because the one digit is less than 4. 124 on round off to nearest 100 will become 100 because the number at the tens place is less than 4. Similarly 339 will become 300. 448 will become 400. 627 will become 600. So when the number at the tens place is 4 or less than 4, then we write 0 at both the places, at the ones place, at the tens place. And the number at the 100 place is copied as such. This number at the 100 place is copied as such. Same number you copy in the 100 place. So this is how we round off to numbers to nearest 100. Okay. Now see some more examples. In the previous example of rounding of numbers to nearest 100, the tens digit was considered and that tens digit was 4 or less than 4. Now in this example you can see the tens digit is 5 or more than 5. In 456 the tens digit is 5. In this number the tens digit is 6. In 678 the tens digit is 7. 798 the tens digit is 9. And in 887 the tens digit is 8. So when we have to round off the number to the nearest 100 and the tens digit is 5 or more than 5. Remember that 5 or more than 5. Earlier it was 4 or less than 4. Now it is 5 or more than 5. Then in the tens place and ones place you write 0 0 and in the 100 place you add 1. In this 100 place you will add 1. You will add 1. See? 456. See this example 456. The tens place is 5. So at the ones and the tens you wrote 0 0 and in the 100 place which is 4 you added 1 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly in 567 6 is more than 5. So you wrote 0 0 in place of tens and 100 and in the 100th place you added 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 567 will become 600. Now see this example 678. 7 is greater than 5. So you wrote 0 in the place of 1, 0 in the place of tens. But in the 100th place you will add 1 to this 6. This 1 will be added to this 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 678 will become 700. Similarly, 798. In 9 is the tens number which is greater than 5. So in place of ones and tens you will write 0 0 and in the 100th place you will add 1 to this 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 798 will become 800. Now 887. In 887, what is the tens digit? Tens digit is 8. So in which is 5 greater than 5. So you will write 0 at ones place, 0 at tens place and in the 100 place, which is 8. 8 will be added to 1 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 887 will become 900. So what is the rule here? That when we have to round off the number to the nearest 100 and the 10th digit is 5 or less, more than 5, then in the tens and ones you write 0, 0, and in the 100 place you add 1. So 456 will become 500, 567 will become 600, 678 will become 700, 798 will become 800, and 887 will become 900 when you round off this number to the nearest 100. So today we have learned 4 things: rounding off to nearest tens. In this, there also there was 2 conditions: when the one digit is 4 or less than 4, and the one digit is 5 or more than 5. When it was 4 or less than 4, you just copied the tens place as such. When it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 was added to the tens place. Then in the number you have to round off to 100. You have to consider the number at the tens place. If the tens place is 4 or less than 4, you will copy the tens as ones as 0, and the 100 place will be copied as such. But if it is 5 or more than 5, then the 0 will be written at the tens and ones place, and in the 100 place you will add. Now class 3 we shall do exercise 1E based on the concept of round off. So open your copies. I hope you have opened your copies. See, you must have a check copy. Write the date here and write exercise 1E. Then write question number 1 and copy the first question. Round off the following to nearest 10. The first one is 125. So in 125, first you will write the place value like this: HTO 125. Now what is the first step? You will see the number at ones place. So what is the number at ones place? That is 5. So when the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then you put 0 at the ones place and you add 1 to the number at tens place. So here what is the number at 10th place? That is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So you will write 3 here and copy this 100 as such. So 125 when round off to 10 become 130. Understood? Now see the second question. 456. Now leave one line and copy the second question. 456. Again you will write HTO 456. Now what is the number at ones place? That is 6. Now this 6 is again greater than 5. So this 6 will be converted into 0 and you will add 1 in the 10th digit. What is the 10th digit? That is 5. So you will add 1 to 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. And you will copy this 4 as such. So 456 when round off to 10 become 460. Okay. Now we will do the third question. Do as I am doing very neatly. Third question is C is 3127. So again you will write the place value of all the numbers, that is 1000, 100, tens, 1, 7, 2, 1, 3. Now what is the number at tens? Sorry, what is the number at ones? That is 7. This is greater than 5. So 7 will be converted into 0 and 1 will be added to the number at tens place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 and 3 will be copied as such. So 3127 when round off to 10 becomes 3130. Now next is D is 2175. Again write the place value of all the number 5712. The number at one place is 5. So again it is greater than 5. 5 or greater than 5. So this will be converted into 0 and 1 will be added to the number at tens place. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 1 and 2 we will copy as such. So 2175 when round off to nearest 10 will become 2180. Now you will do only 2 questions in one page. Now turn the one is left for you, that is E1, that you do yourself. 2000 E1 you will do yourself. 2175, do this question yourself. Okay. Now copy the second question. Don't forget to draw the margin as I have drawn in every question. Second question is round off the following to nearest 100. This is the second question. Round off the following to nearest 100. The first is 456. Again you will arrange it in the tens, hundred and ones column. So 6 will be in ones place, 5 will be in tens place and 4 will be in hundred place. Now what is the number at tens place? Here you will see the number at tens place. What is the number at tens place? That is 5. So when it is 5 or greater than 5, then ones and tens both are converted into 0 and we add 1 to the number at 100 place. So here 100 place is 4. So 4 plus 1 will become 5. So 456 when round off to 100 will become 500. Now the second is 3859. Again arrange in the respective column 1000, 100, tens, ones. 9, 5, 8, 3. Now what is the number at ones place? 9, tens place is 5, 100 place is 8 and 1000 place is 3. So what is the number at tens place? That is 5. So when the number at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, you write 0, 0 at both the 100 and the tens place and you add 1 to the 100 place. So 8 plus 1 will become 9 and this 3 will be copied as such to 3859 when round off to nearest 100 will become 3900. Now the third one is 4162. Again arrange in 1000, 100, tens, 1, 2, 6, 1, 4. What is the number at tens place? That is 6. So again it is 5 or more than 5. So you will convert it into 0. Ones will be converted into 0. Tens will be converted into 0 and you will add 1 to the number at 100 place. 100 place is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 4 will be copied as such. So 4162 when round off to nearest 100 will become 4200. Now the next number is, first I will draw the margin. Margin is not drawn on this page. So first I will draw the margin. First number is 1416. Again arrange them in 1000, 100, tens and ones. 6, 1, 4, 1. The number at tens place is 1. See the number at tens place is 1, which is less than 5. So here you will not add 1 to the 100 digit. You will just write 0 at the ones and tens place and copy the 100 digit as such. It will become 4 only and 1 as such. So 1416 when round off to nearest 100 will become 1400. Now see the last question. 3216. So again you will arrange it in 1000, 100, tens and ones. 6, 1, 2, 3. See the number at tens place, that is 1. It is less than 5. So you will write 0 on the ones place, 0 on the tens place and this 2 will be copied as such and 3 will be copied as such. So 3216 when round off to nearest 100 will become 3200. Clear? Now you will do your work like this and draw the line after every answer. Okay?